Alam mo ba na yung dating pinaka-effective na Facebook ad strategy ay wala na ngayon, and guess what's replacing it? Something weird na hindi mo expect. Kung freelancer ka or business owner, baka napansin mo na kahit gaano ka detailed yung targeting mo, parang wala pa rin results. Dami mong sinet, age, gender, interest, behaviors, tapos ang mahal pa rin ng cost per lead. Diba? Nakaka-frustrate. Pero ngayong 2025, top advertisers are actually doing the opposite. They're ditching the super detailed targeting at ginagamit na nila is yung broad targeting na tinatawag. As in location lang, age lang, then let Facebook's algorithm, Facebook AI, decide kung sino yung interested. Weird siya kasi dati sinasabi ng lahat na the more specific yung targeting, the better. Pero ngayon, algorithm na ang mas nakakaintindi. Example, nag-run ako ng 2 campaign. Yung campaign A, ginawa namin siya na old school style na may mga stock interest, habang yung campaign B na nilaunch namin broad targeting lang. And guess what? 40% na mas lower yung cost per lead ng broad targeting kesa doon sa may mga interest. And hindi lang ako, maraming agencies, freelancers ang gumagawa nito kasi mas efficient, less to set up, pero mas maganda yung results. Kung hindi mo pa rin tinatry, baka kaya mataas yung ad cost mo. Stop fighting the algorithm, gamitin mo siya to your advantage. Follow me for more Facebook ads advice like this and comment down workshop if you want to join one of our live workshops.